Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you different ways I use guava leaf for hair growth. A lot of people don't know that apart from applying the tea on your hair either as a rinse or a leave-in spray, there are other ways you can use guava leaf to maximize hair growth. And in this video, I'm going to show you two ways you can use guava leaf for hair growth. I mean fast hair growth. This will instantly boost your hair growth and create this healthy environment for your hair to start thriving. My guava leaf might be looking a little bit dry. Do not worry, it's still perfect. Even if it's dry, you can still use it. So do not worry about the freshness of the guava leaf. The reason why it looks like this is that I plucked it yesterday and I let it sit till the following day. That is why it looks a little bit dry, but it still works anyways. So the first thing I need to do is to pluck it out from the stem. The first video I made about this guava leaf, people really engaged, and some people were coming back to tell me that it actually worked. So I decided to bring you yet another one, but maybe a different method. Guava leaf is one of the nature's underrated treasure when it comes to promoting stronger, healthier, and fast growing hair. Both drinking guava leaf and applying it directly to the scalp can deliver powerful benefits thanks to the nutrients and medical properties. Guava leaf is packed with lots of vitamin C, vitamin B complex, antioxidant that directly nourishes the hair follicles. The vitamin C in guava boosts collagen production, which strengthens the hair structure and improves elasticity and reducing breakage. The nutrient in guava leaf penetrates the scalp, fortifying the hair follicle, preventing them from becoming weak or brittle. This also helps reduce hair thinning and premature shedding, keeping your hair fuller for a longer time. I divided the guava leaf into two. So this one right here is for the tea. We are going to be consuming the tea. You all don't know how important it is to consume guava tea. I will show you how to make your guava tea, how to consume it, and what you benefit from it. Guava tea is a herbal infusion made from guava leaf. While the guava fruit is widely known for its high vitamin C content, guava leaves are equally powerful, containing antioxidants, polyphenol, flavonoids, and other plant compounds that provide remarkable health benefits. For centuries, guava tea has been used in traditional medicine in Asia, Africa, and Latin America to manage blood pressure, treat diarrhea, promote weight loss, and support heart health. When it comes to hair growth, this amazing plant have so many nutrients that will benefit in hair growth, especially when it's being consumed. This tea is as easy as making any other tea. All you need to do is get some hot water and your guava leaf, put in a cup and pour in some hot water, then allow it to steep. You can let this steep for 20 minutes, or better still, you can just throw it in your microwave and then allow it to heat up. Guava tea isn't just a refreshing herbal drink, it is also a natural hair growth booster when consumed regularly. When you drink guava tea, it works from the inside, feeding your hair follicle through your bloodstreams. This creates a perfect condition for your healthy hair growth. This tea right here is packed with vitamin C, vitamin B, iron, and antioxidants. The vitamin C boosts collagen production, which is the protein that strengthens the hair shaft and prevent breakage. Our tea is ready. I'll pour it in a glass cup so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. It can get darker if you leave it for a longer time. The vitamin B in this tea provides your hair with enough blood circulation, ensuring that your roots get enough oxygen and nutrients. The iron in this tea prevents hair thinning. So you can see there's a lot more benefit to this tea. The antioxidant in the tea prevents your follicle from free radicals that can destroy or weaken your roots. Drinking this tea regularly will strengthen your follicle and reduce excessive shedding. If you're consistent with this tea, I promise you one thing, your hair will grow thicker, stronger, and shinier, making your hair less prone to breakage or split ends. If you don't have 20 minutes to let your tea steep, you can boil it. All you need to do is get your fresh guava leaf. You can also use the dry one. boil it with 2 cups of water and then consume it. You can consume this every morning before meal or at night after meal. Let me put it there. This tea is not sweet. You can see the way I'm doing my face right now. It shows that it's not sweet. At the same time, it's not bitter. It has this not so bad sour taste. I can't really describe it. I just want you to give it a try because it's really, really amazing. And also wash it before you do so. Onto the second method. I think both methods work excellently, but consuming it is actually the best because it works from the inside out. Applying it is also very helpful because I noticed a change ever since I started using this Goa Leaf. My hair doesn't break that much again and it looks shinier and it looks more healthy. And lots of people have given amazing feedback, and I know it's not just for me. Other people are trying it and it's been working for them. To make this, just put some of your leaf in your blender to crush it. But other people like to boil this. You can as well boil it if you want to, but this is the way I prefer to make mine. I'll put it in a blender, add some water, and then I'll blend it before I go ahead and strain out the juice. Applying this guava tea on your hair helps your hair retain more length. Because of the antioxidant present in it, it will help you repair your damaged hair and also reduce split end. If your hair is breaking a lot, you should try out this guava tea. Honestly, it has really, really helped. It is water based, very light, so it's ideal to use every day. You can use it to moisturize your hair and your scalp without build up. This will ensure that your hair continuously grow because it will fight dandruff, fungus or bacteria that is growing on your hair because of its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. The reason I prefer using this tea as a leave-in is because it will coat your strands, smoothing your cuticles, giving your hair a natural healthier shine. Even without applying any grease, this instantly gives your hair this shine. Massaging this in will boost your blood circulation to the scalp, allowing your hair follicle to receive more oxygen and nutrients for faster and healthier hair growth. So after applying this to your scalp, make sure you use your fingers to massage it in, and also use a leave-in conditioner and a butter to seal it in. The antioxidants and the flavonoids in this tea will help reduce oxidative stress. This help prevents excessive shedding and keeps your strands growing. After blending it, this is what it looks like. I had to add a bit of water as you saw to get out the nutrients. You can also consume this if done neatly. This tea is very safe to use it for at least 3 to 4 times every week. It leaves no build up, no residues on your hair as long as you strain it properly. And you can preserve this in your refrigerator for 7 days. After 7 days, you discard it and make another one. Also, you can dry out the leaf and then keep it somewhere safe to use anytime you want to. Apart from the hair benefit, there's also tons of medical benefit to this leaf. I advise you to make research on it and know more about it because this leaf is very powerful. Now that we have gotten our tea, I will go ahead and pour it into our applicator bottle. Please note that if you're using the dry leaf, it will not be this green. It would have been greener if it was fresh. You notice my leaf was not that fresh anymore because I plugged it a day before. Like I said before, you can use this as much as 3 to 4 times a week. And we have come to the end of this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment, and also share to other people. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.